Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Okay, so in my last video, I was watching this falling wedge right here, and we had a little breakout going to the upside. We also broke the 9 moving average on the 1 hour time frame right here, and ever since then we've been getting support on it. I was watching these supports right here, support, support, and support, basically giving me this trend line right here. We broke that trend line going to the downside. I had a position sitting at around 0.167 approximately. I closed that position around here and set up a new limit order down here at this previous bottom, sitting at around 0.169.16. I'm not sure if we're gonna come down or if we're gonna start breaking through this level right here. The other pattern that I'm kind of seeing is almost a W pattern, something like this. I think if we can break this top line, this top trend line right here, going to the upside, we could look for a target dragging from the bottom of the pattern to the top of the pattern, do something like that. Then we could drag that to the breakout. If we can break this line right here, then that'll give us a target of approximately close to this red line sitting at the red line sitting at .20398, the 23% from the top, 23% down from the top. And then if we do this pattern target is .20540. So this is pretty much the bullish scenario is .20544 at least, and then if we start heading down, I would target .169.1 going to the downside and going to the upside. We had this big run up. I took some profits down here, and then I set up a position right here at .18859, and then either way I'm going to be looking for that with this position, or with this position that I had right here, I'm looking to go further down. Let's see what happens if we go up or down, but it looks like we're getting a little bit more momentum. And if we go to the 1 hour, or if we stay on the 1 hour, we actually broke the 1 hour 9 moving average right here. The other thing I guess I wanted to show you real quick is the 4 hour 9 moving average, because we actually broke above that as well. Let me delete some of this stuff really quick. 1 second. So we have this 9 moving average right here. Let me grab it. Okay, the 9 moving average is right here. We broke above it right here, and we've been getting support on it. Let's see if this can break us out of this pattern that I was looking at. And this resistance, we had resistance all right here, resistance right here, and some resistance right here, it seemed like. Let's see if we could break out of that and then get some of these pretty decent candles that we had in this area. We had some pretty decent green candles going up in this area right here, and then we had a nice big red candle going up right there. Maybe if we could break to the upside, we'll get a nice green candle or something like that. We have to wait and see until we break this to the upside. I'm still kind of curious if we're going to maybe come up here and come back down, but let's see what happens. All right, if you guys liked the video, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.